Question is given a times a times a times a divided by a plus a plus a plus a is equal to 16. Here we have to find out the value of a. How we can find out the value of a in this equation? Let's see solution. A times a times a times a divided by a plus a plus a plus a 4 times a is equal to 16. Now this is a times a times a times a, so we can write this one a power 4 because this is 4 times, and here we can write this one 4 times a, so it will become here 4a is equal to 16. Now a power 4, so we can write this one a power 3 times a divided by 4a is equal to 16. Now this a is cancelled from this a, so we can write here a cube divided by 4 is equal to 16. Now we can do here one thing, we can do here cross multiplication. So a cube is equal to 16 times 4. A cube is equal to 16 times 4, so we can write this one 4 square times 4. This is 16, so 4 square times 4. Now a cube is equal to 4 cube. This is because 4 power 1, so 4 cube, right? Now a cube minus 4 cube is equal to 0. So this is the form of a cube minus b cube. So we know one formula, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. This is formula. Now we have to use this formula here in this equation. So we can write this one a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b. So it will become a minus 4. A minus 4 times a square plus 4a plus b square. B is 4. 4 square, that is 16 is equal to 0. Now a minus 4 equal to 0 and a square plus 4a plus 16 equal to 0. We got these two equation here. So first one is a minus 4 equal to 0, or next one is a square plus 4a plus 16 is equal to 0. From here a minus 4 equal to 0, therefore we can say a is equal to 4. So we got the first value of a, that is a is equal to 4. Now we have to solve this equation, a square plus 4a plus 16 equal to 0. Here coefficient of a square, that is a equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 16. So our equation is a is equal to minus b plus minus, this is formula, b square minus 4ac upon 2 times a. Now we have to substitute this value in this formula. A is equal to minus b is 4. So minus 4 plus minus square root of b square, b is 4. 4 square minus 4 times a. A is 1 times c is 16 divided by 2 times a is 1. Now is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square is 16 minus 16 4 ja 64. 64 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. Now is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 64. So here we can do one thing, 16 4 ja 64, right? So we can take 16 common here. We are taking common 16 here. So here it will become 1 minus 16 4 ja 64 divided by 2 is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of, now 16 1 minus 4, so we can write this one 16 times 1 minus 4 is minus 3, it will become here minus 3 divided by 2. Now we can separate this term, so we can write this one minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 times square root of 3 times square root of minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 16. Value of square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 3. Square root of minus 1. So minus, we know that the value of minus 1 is I square. I square divided by 2. Now square is cancelled from square root here. Minus 4 plus minus 4 square root of 3i divided by 2. Now we can take common here too. So is equal to, we are taking common, minus 2 plus minus 2 square root of 3i divided by 2. Now this 2 is cancelled from this 2. So we can say value of a is equal to, here we got minus 2 plus minus 2 square root of 3i. Here positive and negative both value are present. So first we got the value of a, that is a1 is equal to 4. Next one is a2 is equal to, here minus 2 plus 2 square root of 3i, and last one is a3 is equal to minus 2 square root of 3i. So in this way we got here total 3 value of a, that is a1, a2 and a3. But you can see a2 and a3, this is the complex solution, and there is one real solution, that is a1 is equal to 4. Now we have to verify for this one, a1 is equal to 4. So let's verify for a1. So here a1 is equal to 4, we are verifying for this one. Question is a times a times a times a divided by a plus a plus a plus a is equal to 16. Now we have to substitute this value here. So 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 divided by 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 question mark 16. Now here 4 4s are 16 times 4 4s are 16 divided by 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 question mark 16. Now this 16 is cancelled from this 16, so we can say 16 is equal to 16 here. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So value of A is equal to 4. This is correct solution for this equation. It is verified here. We got another two value, that is A2 and A3, but A2 you can see A2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2i square root of 3, and A3 is equal to minus 2 minus 2i square root of 3. So these are the complex solution, right? Complex solution. So if you want to verify, so you can verify for this one, and this one is the real solution. If you have any doubt in solving this equation, so you can comment me. Thank you for watching.